meron po pala akong i-share sa inyo itong chilifinance.com kung saan ay pwede po tayong kumita guys at mag-invest. So, first guys no is mag-register po tayo. Ito po yung ay type lang po natin dito guys yung ating number, then password natin, then yung code, then yung yeah, ito guys, security 9437. So kung anong nandito guys, na type nyo lang po guys. Then click natin yung register. So ito na po siya guys no. Yan meron pong sign up bonus na 100 pesos. Sign in bonus is 2 pesos, then invitation bonus 5. Yan, minimum withdrawal is 100. So confirm natin. And ito po yung kanilang mga product guys. Yan. And guys no, meron po tayong 100 guys no na current balance. So nakuha po natin yan guys no. Pagkatapos natin mag sign up. So sign up bonus po yun guys. So ayan, nakita nyo naman guys no, ay meron po tayong VIP. Yan na total revenue is 1,080. So VIP 1 po siya guys no. So, yung daily profit natin dito is 12 pesos. Extract natin. Sabi, so click lang po natin tong extract guys. Araw-araw sa bonus naman ay makita natin dito guys is level 1 is 25%, level 2 is 3%, level 3 is level 3 is 2%. Yan. So kung mag-invest kayo guys no, example meron po kayong balance guys no. So ito 0 po ito guys. So i-click natin to. So 0 price po ito guys no. So i-click natin yung invest. Yan, so free po yan guys no. And extract lang po natin guys para ma-receive natin. Then kung mag-invest kayo guys no, ayan meron ditong 300 pesos na price, 500 pesos. So makita natin dito guys yung total income, yung total revenue guys. So medyo malaki yung total revenue guys no. 90 days. So hanggang 90 days po guys yung investment time. So kung interested po kayo guys no, is mag-recharge lang po kayo. Click lang po natin yung recharge. Ayan, mamili lang po tayo dito guys no ng amount. Select, please select a wallet type. So Maya or GCash. Ayan. Then i-click natin yung pay 1 and number 1. I-click natin yan guys no. Ayan, sundin nyo lang yung next step nya guys. Then pag mag-withdraw naman kayo guys no, ay click natin yung withdraw. Ayan, enter amount, bank account. So set up natin yung bank account natin dito. Ayan, set up natin yung bank account, bank holder name, and yan, card holder, bank account. Itong bank account guys, ito po ay yung number natin. Ayan. So yan guys. Then yan, yan, pwede po nyo ito i-share guys na para makareceive tayo ng commission. So yung nakita natin kanina guys, itong bonus. So ito yung ating commission guys na yung level 1, level 2. So yung level 1 guys is yan po yung direct sa ating link. Yan, ito yung ating invitation link. So i-share lang po natin. Ayan, ito po yung VIP 0, VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 4, VIP 5. So yan, mamilang po kayo dyan guys. So yan muna guys. So, salamat sa mga nanood. Sa hindi pa pala nakapag-subscribe dyan, huwag nyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated po kayo sa aking mga videos na i-upload. Thanks!